Here's Grandpa getting out of the car. It started. Boy, is he relieved.
I'm very happy. Car started. Who's gonna help me up? Oh, Grandpa's getting old. Whew. Well,
It started.
okay.
All is right with the
We
world.
gotta get Grandma's car cleaned off somehow. But hey, pretty soon it'll be spring and I'll be cutting grass. We're lucky.
Lucky the heat didn't
The
go
power
off.
didn't go off. We had all
Power
these
didn't go
winds. We had a blizzard, James. I don't know if you know what a blizzard is. That's when you get high, sustained winds and blowing snow for at least 3 hours. So we had about 2 feet, 2.5 feet of snow, I guess. And hey, can't complain. What are you gonna do? Cut.